Residential Site Valuation and Cost Approach, page 16. General Data Resources Data Bank. Government repositories, professional repositories, other resources. Government census data, trade publications or newsletters, magazines, newspapers. Government publications, professional magazines, journals, maps and reports, government records, realtor boards, publications, lenders, mortgage companies, courthouse registrars, multiple listing services, property managers, rental companies, public records and filings, computer databases and internet, moving and storage companies, U.S. Department of Commerce or local Chamber of Commerce, home builder associations or other professional associations, employment agencies or labor groups, planning, highway, county, commissioners' offices, accountants, lawyers, engineers, business people, builders, contractors, architects, FHA or other government agencies, specialized research companies, colleagues, and contacts. Note: these data lists are not all inclusive. Other data sources may also be used. Much of this information is available online from various websites on the internet. Specific data resources. Specific data resources can be subdivided into sources that provide specific data or information about the subject property, sources that provide specific data, information for comparative purposes. The appraiser is interested in specific facts, numbers, and data that are relevant to the property being appraised. Some research can be done to obtain this information using courthouse records, computerized databases, and /other internet as the starting point for compiling information on the subject property. An appraiser always checks the accuracy of information. One of the most important ways to obtain accurate and reliable data is by doing a personal inspection of the subject property. Specific data about the subject property includes information on the subject's site and improvements. Specific data for comparative purposes requires that data be obtained for each of the appraisal methods, which are sales, comparison, cost, and income. Sources that provide specific data or information for comparative analysis purposes will vary depending on the valuation methods being developed in the assignment, like the personal inspection of the subject property noted above. The most reliable data obtained for comparative purposes is also of a personal nature. The appraiser's files or other appraisals, buyers and sellers, as well as real estate agents or other professionals involved in real estate transactions, are often the appraiser's best source of information. It is hard to know the reasons, motivations, concessions, or other special circumstances that may have influenced a transaction unless one talks to the parties involved. Extra notes: we used to have to go to the courthouse for appraisals. Most ones have MLS. External obsolescence near answer. Sometimes you can talk to buyer.